Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, and I just broke over 50,000 YouTube subscribers, so I wanted to create a video on how to make money off of YouTube. Now, the way that most people try and make money off of YouTube is absolutely destined for failure. What I'm showing you today could make you tens of thousands of dollars per month. In addition to that, I'm going to be giving away 2 freebies today just for watching the video. If you like it, give it a YouTube like. If you dislike it, give it a YouTube dislike. Tell me why, because I'm going to use your feedback to create videos in the future here. Now, you can see my channel here. I have 148 videos, 50,000 subscribers. And the one thing that people do that absolutely does not work for making good money is focusing on just generating revenue from the ads, okay? That's the easiest thing to do. In your YouTube account, you just press this one button that is to enable. I'll actually see if I can get that open for you here in a second. So you're gonna see here when I go to my video manager, I can just click a button to activate monetization so that ad revenue is generated off of my videos. Now you're gonna see here, I don't even activate the monetization for my new videos anymore because it's such a small amount of money. And did I do it? No, I can't see there because I'm colorblind, but I didn't even activate my monetization for my new videos, and there's a reason for that. It's such a small amount of money. And to give you an idea, because I can't give a specific number, it's against the terms of service, I will tell you that I make approximately $500 to $1,000 per month off of ad revenue. Now, that's on a channel that generates or that has 50,000 subscribers. If you're getting started out and you want to start with, 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers to get going, the amount of ad revenue that you're going to generate here is going to be so unbelievably small, okay? Do not focus on ad revenue. It's a total waste of time. You're not going to make any money off of that whatsoever. So then you're asking, okay, Brendan, well, if it's not ad revenue, how do I make really good money online on YouTube or just in general, okay? The secret is with high ticket information products. Generally, what happens when people start to try and make money online, they don't have a lot of confidence in the information that they have. So they undersell themselves. And this is what happened to me. I created a product called 0 Hour Workdays. It was a great product, and I sold it for $7 a piece. Now, actually, I'm going to be giving it away for free on this video at the end here, so make sure you stay for that. But I gave this away for $7 a piece. Now, in order for me to make thousands or tens of thousands of dollars, I would need to sell thousands of copies of this product, okay? Which is really just not realistic if you're just getting started. Now, let's say on the other hand, I was selling a product for $1,000 or $2,000. How many sales would I have to make $10,000? Really, not that many at all, okay? Now, what you're gonna find with a YouTube channel or a Facebook group or whatever kind of audience that you're building online is you are eventually gonna get true fans. People that 100% believe in what you have to say, they trust you, they support you, and they feel like they're even, part of your group. They're your friends, right? They are going to support you and be willing to pay $1,000, a lot of them, okay? So if you have, thousands upon thousands of views, now you only need to make 10 sales of $1,000 to create a $10,000 income, okay? Forget the ad revenue, make the high ticket sales. Now, this is the part of the video where it gets interesting. How do you sell high ticket, okay? Because selling somebody to high ticket right away, just driving them to a link and saying, hey, buy this $1,000 product, that's not really gonna work, okay? So what does work and what does actually make people money? Well, what I do now is with my clones product, I will sell something for $7 or $10 or $13 to get people in. Then I will blow them away with the product and how great the value is. So you can see that with the clones. It's a product that I created recently where for $13 I gave people a super epic product. On the back end of that product, I did a training webinar where I showed people even more powerful stuff, and I sold my $2,000 flagship product called Project Profit Academy. Now, I'm not selling Project Profit Academy here because this video is not about selling anything, okay? I honestly do not care if I make money off of this video. I do not even care if I make money off of my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel is not about that. However, if you do want to make money off of YouTube, this is exactly what you would do. You drive people to a $2,000 product, or you drive them to a low ticket product that leads them to a back end with a high ticket sale. Now, what if you wanted to make the high ticket sale directly? You'd really have two main options, and they're both very powerful. The second one is one of the most powerful make money strategies I've ever seen in years, and it's a relatively new method, okay? Method number one is giving away really cool tutorials, tons of valuable videos, and then directing people to this link all the time. I see people that do this on YouTube very effectively. They essentially have some kind of tutorial or video. They say, oh, by the way, I have my high ticket course where I show everything that I know, and they just reference it constantly. Now, what ends up happening here is, you're probably not going to sell people into that high ticket program the first time that they hear about it in your video. But if you create enough videos with enough content, and you're constantly talking about this high ticket, high value product that you've created that shows everything that you know, eventually people are going to get curious, and a lot of them are going to end up buying it. So that's strategy number one. It's very easy. All you have to do is have one flagship and high ticket product and constantly reference it in your videos and tell people to check it out. Now, the second strategy is one of the most powerful, lucrative make money online strategies that I've seen in years. And people that are doing this today over the last couple of years are absolutely cleaning up, okay? This is the major make money online thing that's happening right now that most people don't even know about. And it's called retargeting ads. Now, I know that that does not sound sexy at all, okay? People hate paid advertising. The idea of retargeting sounds complicated, but I trust me, it's not, okay? What you can do in AdWords is automatically every single person that's seen one of your videos is automatically tracked automatically, which means that you can retarget these people to whatever you want for about 5 or 6 cents per click. So as an example, my YouTube channel has generated around 2 million views over the last couple of years, okay? Now, those 2 million views, I can retarget that 2 million people for about 5 or 6 cents each to one of my high ticket offers and make a crazy profit. Now, as an example, let's say I have a $2,000 product, okay? And I want to know how much money can I afford to spend where I would still break even making just one customer, okay? So if I have a $2,000 budget to create one $2,000 sale, and let's say each visitor is costing me about 5 cents to my offer page for this high ticket offer, right? 5 cents means about 20 clicks per dollar. So $2,000 is my budget, and I have 20 clicks per dollar. Now, I hope you guys can follow me here. That means that I have 40,000 clicks that I can generate from my retargeting ads to my high ticket offer to make just one sale to be able to break even. Now, if I had a $7 product, that would be way harder. But because I have a $1,000 or a $2,000 product, I can afford to spend way more money on ad revenue or ad spend before I make back my investment and get that profit, okay? So the real secret formula here is use your YouTube channel to generate a bunch of traffic. Automatically, every single click that generates on any of your videos is going to be pixeled, okay, in your AdWords account. Then you can set up a very basic and easy retargeting AdWords campaign to anybody that's watched your videos, and for 5 or 6 cents per click, you can show them really high ticket offers that make you absolute bank. Now, I'm sorry guys, I know that this video was probably very complicated for a lot of people that just watch this, and this is not a beginner topic, so I have to apologize for that, and maybe some people are thinking they're way over their head here, and that's how I have felt with this stuff as well, okay? It's not easy beginner stuff. This is intermediate or advanced stuff, but I promise you, this is exactly what a ton of people are doing to make not just thousands of dollars online, we're talking about millions of dollars online. There are major YouTubers, okay, that are their main strategy is just to generate as many views as possible so that they can retarget those people with advertisements to high-ticket products and make millions of dollars. The people that I'm talking about have YouTube channels, a little over 100,000 subscribers, and they're making millions per year, okay? So if you can just get to 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers and you can, get as many views as possible with that 5 or 10,000 subscribers and then run retargeting ads to a flagship high-ticket product, that is your ticket to making tens of thousands of dollars per month online. The old way of doing YouTube, relying on, the few cents and pennies here on ad revenue, does not work. It's not worth your time. It's absolutely, you're not going to make any money with that. This is the real way to make money on YouTube or any platform for that matter. The freebies that I'm giving you today is if you go to zerohourworkdays.com, you get my first course that I ever created and put out that's probably worth about $97 that I'm giving away for free. So zerohourworkdays.com, go there and grab that. Also, I'm going to give you an additional bonus if you give me a reply to the welcome email. So as soon as you buy this product for $0, as soon as you buy 0 Workdays for free, all you have to do is reply to the email that I give you and ask me for the second bonus, and I will send that directly to you via email. Thank you so much for watching the video today. If you liked it, give it a YouTube like. If you disliked it, give it a YouTube dislike, because I use your feedback. Also, there's the bell notification if you want to get my videos in the future. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.